Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I am back again with another Random Monday video. So, today this is a super late one, but I'm bringing you something really cool. I've got a parcel here, cover my name and address and all of that good stuff. You see that? It's from Alzheimer's Research UK, which is a charity which is running to defeat dementia. But in the last half of last year, well, not really the half, the last kind of few months I'd say, they were doing this thingy called glitter brows, and I did say to someone that was like running it and stuff that I would actually do it, and it took me really long to actually buy it. But my kit's here now, so we're gonna have a little look at the kit and then try my glitter brows out. Exciting. Okay, so we've got a little booklet to say how to achieve your flawless glitter brows. Well, it's not really a booklet, it's more of a just a, you know, leaflet kind of thing. Obviously my delivery note, generic, and then all of the little biddies and bobbies. So let's actually read through how to do this, because I have no idea how I'm doing this yet. So you start by smoothing your brows with the brush provided. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline to the brows as a base for the glitter. Dab on the glitter. We like to start with fine glitter and then jazz it up with chunky sparkles. Take care not to get any in your eye. That's a worrying thing, because it can drop in your eyes. Tidy up your sparkly brows with the cotton buds. You can also carefully spray your brows with hairspray for an even longer lasting look. Share your pictures online using the hashtag #glitterbrows, and don't forget to tag them. Use your fabulous new look to raise money for life-saving dementia research. Turn over to find out more. Okay. Ooh. So let's actually have a look at what glitter we've got, because from what I've known, well, straight away, here's the little box. It's super cute. I fight dementia with dazzling eyebrows. That's adorable. Yeah, from what I could see online, you don't actually get to choose your colour, so it's a completely random colour. So let's see what colour I've got. Dun, dun, dun. So, of course, we've got our Vaseline. I'm trying not to look inside of it, so I don't know. Then we have, oh yeah, the tattoo. It's like a temporary tattoo thingy, which is awesome. I've just looked, sold guys. Some cotton buds, and there is another cotton bud in here, hold on. Another cotton bud. A spoolie brush kind of thing, just to brush over your eyes. Just smoothen those brows out. And then we have a beautiful yellow fine glitter. It's very bold. And some chunky pink glitter. Woo! Is it gonna, can we get it to focus? Maybe gonna be able to. I'm scared I'm slowly opening this. I could feel it kind of moving. It's so pretty. I have no idea if that even went on my face. But yeah, so that is what we have in our little kit, which is super cool. So you can probably do this like a couple of times, I'd say, because there's quite a lot of glitter. So, you know, yeah. And it is like a full-on pot of fresh ass Vaseline. It's just, you know, generic plain Vaseline. So Anyway, I'm gonna get this done in like a few seconds, or a few minutes actually, because I've got to get a few bits done, but then I'm gonna come back and sit down and we're gonna do these brows. See these brows? They're gonna be glittered. Yeah, boy. Okay, so let's get started with this. So I'm just gonna brush my brows to really make sure that they are nice and flat. Okay, so now it says to apply a thick layer of Vaseline. This is gonna be so gross. Over the brow. Okay. So once you've done that, it just says to dab on the glitter. We like to start with the fine glitter. It's okay, we can start with the fine glitter. Oh my goodness. I feel like this is gonna make such a mess. But oh well. Okay. And then we're just gonna try, I don't know how well this is gonna be visible for you guys, but you know, just gonna really pack it on the brow as much as possible to create like a nice base layer of yellow. You can kind of see a little bit of the sparkles. Obviously in these lighting conditions it is very dark, so it's very hard to see. So I may have to pick up the camera and take around with me, just so I can really get like a good look at what we are working with. Trying not to spill too much of the glitter, but it is very difficult. Yeah. Okay. So, sorry guys, we're gonna take a little journey. You can definitely see around the brow it's very yellow, because I did over apply because I couldn't really see, but you can totally like clean that up afterwards. So I don't really feel like we need, this is more just like a base to get us more or less started. But yeah, it's pretty cool right now. Okay, so now we've got our pink chunky glitter. I think this is probably going to show a lot more because it is a lot thicker, and my hands are really greasy now, so it's really hard to open these. So, note to self, maybe before using the Vaseline, perhaps, you know, open the pots. I'm not going to put too much of this chunky glitter on just because it's going to go, it's going to fall. I'm going to try and tilt my head back a little bit because it's going to fall down a lot. I'm already feeling quite a bit of fall down on my eye. I'm just going to shut my eyes while doing this. just to accent the face, I'm going to just rub the rest on my cheek. Let's again change the lighting. As you can see, or I've just put it all over my face, it is very coloured. They are very, very shiny in the lights. And they do give a little bit of colour, but it's more holographic than anything. So, yeah, my attempt is not the best. I will admit that, because I'm terrible at these kind of things, but I still think they look hella cute, you know. And I have loads of product left. Oh my god, I can feel a bit going in my eye already. Emergency! I have shiny eyes now. This eye is going to just keep watering for a little bit. But I definitely see the appeal in this. It's quite fun. So definitely make sure you're checking out the Alzheimer's links down below, which I'll be leaving for you guys, of course. And, you know, just if you want to get this kit as well, you can totally still buy it, I believe. If I'm correct, it's about £5, roughly. So you get obviously all the bits that I just got as well, and for a £5 that's pretty decent. You get 2 types of glitters, the Vaseline, the brushes, and cotton buds as well. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to like clean these up in the mirror and maybe apply a little bit more, who knows, and then we're going to take the thumbnails, so you know, I'll be back once I've done all of that. Okay, so I've just finished taking all of my thumbnails. I take a lot of pictures, okay, you guys, just to get the perfect one. But yeah, so here's the finished look. It's still a little bit rough around the edges, but I did try and clean it up a little bit and apply a little bit more. But I do need to get rid of some of the yellow around this bit. There we go, that looks a lot better already. See, professional. But there's a lot of glitter everywhere. I kind of just mushed the excess around, so you know. But I think they look pretty alright. You know, nothing, you know, award-winning, but definitely beautiful. And I may have to use this next year at Pride, maybe. Well, this year at Pride, you know, because we are officially in 2018. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to tweet at AR UK News and go onto Instagram and follow Alzheimer's Research UK, because they do a lot of great work and you can get yourself some pretty awesome and jazzy glitter brows too, you know. But anyway, you guys, I will see each and every one of you in the next video. Peace out, bitches.